What's up guys, in this video I will guide you exactly on how to open up a Shopify store on your mobile device. So first thing first, go to your Play Store right here, and then what you have to do is to type in Shopify. You just type in Shopify and then search. Once here, if it shows open, that means it is installed in my phone, and if it shows install, that means you have to install this application first in your mobile device. And then once you are done, then you have to go and launch the Shopify application right here. So go ahead and tap onto the Shopify application right there. And then once here, you need to get started or log in. There are two different buttons. If you have an account, you just need to log in. If you're just getting started, then you need to press get started. So go ahead and press get started right there. Once you're here, you will then be instructed to enter your email address and continue with the email. Or there are also another 3 alternatives right underneath continue with email. They will just instruct you to continue with Google, continue with Apple if you have an Apple ID, continue with Facebook. And if you already have the Shopify account, you just need to log in and to where you are located. So I will just enter my email. So this is going to be a step-by-step simple guide. So I will use my email. This will be a demo email. So I will just enter yes, no, how, 80 at gmail.com. Once you're done, you just need to hit continue email. You can also continue Google if you have the email already installed in your computer, but on this tab, you will be instructed to create your password. So go ahead and create your password. You need to be so accurate in creating your password, and it must be at least 8 characters and more. So go ahead and enter your password, and you have this alternative. You can use a strong password. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just hit this strong password, and then I will get this green nice message. Nice, that's a strong password, and then hit create an account. Within minutes, Shopify will start creating your account in the background. You will then be instructed to allow Shopify send you notification. So go ahead and hit allow, and definitely our Shopify store has been created with just few simple steps. Here I am on the Shopify dashboard. I will try to navigate through different options here. You can add your first product, you can design your store, you can set up a payment provider, review your shipping rates, add store name, customize your domain, and to subscribe for that, $1, and you're given 3 days to do that. So first thing, you need to set up your Shopify store. Go ahead and hit this profile icon right at the top right. This is my Shopify account associated with my email address. So that's it. You can also add another email on it. So that's it. Those are some of the ways to set up your Shopify store. If I hit this MS account icon right at the top left, I will then have these 3 options: my store and add store, edit store. So I will just try to edit store here and then hit done. So guys, that is it. Those are some of the basics on how to create a Shopify store on your mobile. You can also try to keep on testing some options here. So if I hit this icon next to the home page icon here, this one here instructs you to manage your orders. You can create orders. And the third one, this is the products page icon. To set up, you just need to hit this little drop down arrow next to products. Just hit that. You can set up collections, view inventory, purchase orders, transfer, use the gift cards, scan inventory. It's according to the way how you set up your Shopify store. So if you navigate to these 3 little horizontal lines, so here, this is like the admin control tab. So here you can view everything: marketing, create discounts, create content, the balance, the analytics. Everything here is like the control center of your Shopify store. So with that, I can just hit back the home page. That's it, guys. Try tweaking out these options and have your store going online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.